Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are learning Python, you've probably heard the term package and wondered what exactly it is. So in this video, I'll break it down in the simplest way possible with real life examples and Python code. So in Python, a package is a way to organize related code into folders, making it easier to manage large programs. A package is basically a directory that contains a special file called __init__.py. This tells Python that this folder is a package. So think of package like a folder in your computer that contains documents. So just like you would separate your photos and videos in different folders, so in Python we use packages to group similar files or modules together. So let's make a basic package. Let's say we are building a calculator. So in order to make this folder as a package, we will just first declare __init__.py file. This marks this directory as a package. Next we will create two files, add and subtract. So in this I will just create a function that takes toNumber and returns the difference between toNumber, and similarly in the add file I will create an add function that takes two numbers and return the sum of those two numbers. Next I'm just going to import the function that I just created from the respective files. This dot here means the current directory, which in this case is calculator. So I am from calculator, this dot, the subtract, which is the file name. I am importing sub, that is the function that I just created. Okay, now in order to use this module or package, I'm just going to create another file, main.py. In this I'm going to import the module. The module name is just the name of the directory, in this case it's calculator. Next I'm going to create a variable to store the sum, and then just print it, and then another variable to calculate the difference between two numbers. And now if I run this, I will get 50 and 40, that is the sum and the difference between these two numbers. Another way to import, like if we just want to import a specific function from the module, we can just use from calculator import add, this syntax. So in this way we just import the add method, and if we just try to run use the subtract method, which is actually not imported, so it will not work. So we can import multiple functions in this way from the specific module, and the result is still the same. So there are two types of packages in Python. The one is the built-in packages. Built-in packages are like math, OS and datetime. These packages comes pre-installed when we install the Python programming language. These are just the standard library functions. The other is the external packages that we install using the pip command, and the external packages are packages submitted by many users online, and they provide extra functionality which may not be a part of the standard library. So I will just create another file to demonstrate how to use the built-in packages. So firstly we import the math package. This is in build package. Then there's another one which is OS, and the date time package. So using the math package we get many functionalities for doing math operations. For example, using this function I can calculate the square root, and if for example I want to list the current directory using the OS function, we can do that. Or if I want to print the current date and time, we can use this function to print the current date and time. So now after running this, we can see that I got the square root of 25 using the math.square root function from the math package. That's 5, and this is the current directory that was printed by the os.list dir pack function, and the current date and time using the date time package. So in order to use or download an external package, we use the pip command. So I'll just type pip install and the package name, which I will install as the requests package. This package is used to send HTTP request and get response. So on Windows we can just use the pip install requests command. In Linux we might have to use pip3 command to install it. Currently I'm using like Arch, so I have to use sudo pacman-sy and the python-request package to install, and I already have it installed, so I'm just going to reinstall it, and the external package will install. So now I'm going to create another file in external.py to demonstrate how to use the external package. Here I'm importing the request package, and using the request method I'm going to send a get request to my own website. And when we use the request method, we get a response, and we can print the status code to check if the request succeeded. So in this case I got the request the status code as 200, which means the request was success. So yeah, in this way we can install external packages using the pip command and get more functionalities in our Python code. So yeah, packages make our code modular, reusable and easier to maintain. Instead of writing everything in one file, we split it into logical parts. This is super helpful in large projects and working in teams. So that's it. You now understand what packages are, how to create one, and how to use both built-in and external packages. Try building your own mini package and see how organized your code becomes. And if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. And if you want me to cover some other topic related to Python or programming in general, then you can also let me know in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching and happy coding.